your hands. When it comes to the controls in our new John Deere M&R Series walk-behind mowers, your hands were what we thought of first. Because if your hands aren't satisfied, you won't be either. From the start, the goal was simple: best-in-class controls. And so we came up with a patented design that would emphasize ease of use, ergonomics, and minimum effort. For ease of use, we looked long and hard at the control layout. What was the proximity of one control to another? And where would the hands be positioned so that the mower could easily be maneuvered on any terrain? Hand position also factored into the ergonomics. Hands positioned correctly for minimum fatigue, and control grips designed with recessed OPC levers eliminated the need to use constant force to operate. Simply squeeze the handles to unlatch the spring-loaded neutral locks, and then release the handles to go forward. And to slow down or turn, all you have to do is gently squeeze the handles. We also reduced the control sensitivity for smoother operation and less friction. Both the M&R series feature hydrostatic drive systems that provide positive reverse for more power and smoother operation. The infinite ground speed adjustments on both units enables a smoother transition from one speed to another. And a reverse speed of 3 miles per hour allows operators to back out of tight mowing spots quickly. We significantly improved the weight distribution of the M&R series to help operators on moving slopes or tricky side hills. Combined with our easy-to-use controls, operators can hold the line on hillsides. And for sheer curb climbing ability, nothing beats our R-Series walk-behinds. With 8.5 inches of ground clearance and positive reverse performance, the 4R Series units bring even the most daunting curves to their knees. No more scuffed or chipped curves, and no more damage to the mower. With ground speeds of up to 20% faster than the previous generation, you'll be cutting more acres with the M&R Series and making more customers happy. The M Series features recoil start and speeds up to 6.5 miles per hour. And the R Series has an electric start and speeds of up to 7.5. Speed walking indeed. That's the essence of the new M&R Series walk-behinds from John Deere. 6 new models with mowing widths from 36 inches all the way up to 61. Trust us, your hands are going to like the way they feel. Get behind one today.